guys and welcome back to my channel. For all those of you who are new, hi, my name is Tuhan and I'm back with another video. So this time, as you must have read from the title, it is going to be about my Holi celebration, and this vlog is not only just going to contain how I celebrated Holi, like on the day of Holi, but it is also a preparation vlog which is going to go through. So we are going to start off by making all the delicious dishes that my nani makes on every Holi. So that is going to be there, and then all the stuff about Holika Dahan Puja and then Holika Dahan at night, so that is also there. And then I will see you on the day of Holi while we are playing it. And after that, getting ready into this outfit. So obviously this part of the video is being filmed on the day of Holi at night. So yeah, this is how I look on the day of Holi after we have played and everything. So yeah, now after that you're going to see us play Holi, and after that we are going to go out on a little rendezvous trip that we took in the evening. We took a stroll through the city, we went to Wall Street, and then we went to a little market to have a shake and some good stuff, make some memories, and just come back. So yeah, that was more or less what is going to happen in this entire vlog. And now what we are going to watch is going to be all the preparation that has taken place before the Holi and everything. So yeah, basically I am so excited for you guys to see this vlog, because I was at my place for Holi like after 3 years. So back in class 12th, because of the boards and everything, I did not attend like Holi at my own place. I was in the hostel, and then after that, first year again I was in college, so I didn't come home for Holi. And again in the second year the same thing happened. So it was after 3 years that I was at my place celebrating Holi, enjoying the entire festival and being here for the preparations and everything. So yeah, this was like a very special Holi for me, and I wanted to document all the memories that I could. So that is why I thought that why not, let's do this vlog. And I think that this is going to be the most memorable video that I have filmed for YouTube and that I'm going to film in a while. So yeah, with that being said, I won't take much of your time now, and I think we should get started with all the preparations that we did for Holi. Let's go guys.
ये देखो मेरे किचन में क्या चल रहा है। पीपल, क्या चल रहा है किचन में? गुजिया मेकिंग। और गुजिया की रेसिपी आप लोग समझाओगे, बताओगे? यार ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो, बता दो। मेरी ऑडियंस ने क्या बुरा किया है? ऑडियंस टेस्ट थोड़ी करेगी। जब बन जाएगी तभी देखिए, उससे पहले देखने नहीं मिलेगी। अरे यार, चलो ठीक है, हम बनने का प्रोसेस ही देख लेते हैं। नो वरी, सी यू गाइस देयर।
जामुन।
और आपने ये इसमें क्या क्या डाला है?
इसमें पड़ा है खोया
हाँ
और पनीर
हाँ
और मैदा,
ओके।
थोड़ा सा सोडा,
सोडा, सोडा की
थोड़ा सा मतलब फूल जाए।
ठीक है। तो आपने फिर उसमें वो सारा कुछ लेके भून लिया और अभी क्या करना है इसकी यही बनाना है ना? अब मैं बनाती हूँ। नानी क्या बन रहा है? दही बड़े। तो अभी आप इतने सारे बना चुके हो, बहुत सारे हैं। ये भी है।
Now that we are done for all the preparations for Holi, now we are going to see what happened the day before Holi. So that is like the Holika Dahan, what we call as Choti Holi, to be honest. So basically it was Choti Holi, and that day we have a ceremony called Holika Dahan, and before that we have a small puja that is known as the Holika Dahan Puja. So the puja takes place in the afternoon and the Dahan happens at night. So yeah, now the clips that you're going to watch are going to be about Holika Dahan. This particular day has a very important significance in Indian mythology, for all those of you who do not know. But yeah, so this was like one of the very important festivals that happens just the day before Holi. So yeah, now what you're going to watch is going to be the Holika Dahan Puja, and then a little snippet of what happened during Holika Dahan. I didn't film much over there, but yeah, so there's a little snippet. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go and watch what happened on the day of Holika Dahan and Choti Holi. Okay, now that you have seen what all has been done on the day of Holika Dahan and Choti Holi, now we are going to move forward to the day of Holi. Yes, finally it's time to see how we played in Holi, how we enjoyed the entire festival and everything. And now that you're going to watch us on screen, disclaimer, nobody is allowed to judge the way I look or any of my family members look or any of my sister's friends look. Please do not do that, because on the day of Holi, trust me, all of us look the worst while we are playing. Okay, I am personally not somebody who likes to apply a lot of oil and everything on my face and all that, but on the day of Holi, you can literally say that I bathe in oil. That is how much oil is there on my body, on my face, on my hair, everywhere else. And that's not just me, it's like everybody else, like everybody. Only because we play with a lot of colors and then the colors just stick to our face, and to avoid all that staining of our faces and our hands and body parts and everything, we apply a lot of oil so that all the color just gets off while we take the bath on that very day. So because of that, so you're not supposed to be judging anybody while you are watching the holy clips. Okay, most of us would not be even recognizable, but I know that I am probably going to be the one who's going to get recognized the most. So you're not allowed to judge anybody on Holi. But anyways, according to traditions, okay, what I'm going to tell you here is that how Holi actually starts at my place. So Nani basically performs a little puja where in the morning. Now I could not film that because obviously my college wasn't off. I was still doing my classes on that day as well. So yeah, because of that, I could not film the morning puja. But after that, basically it starts off by Nanu and Nani putting a little tika on each of our foreheads and wishing us a very happy Holi, and we do the same, and then we apply gulal all over each other's face. That's just how we start Holi. And after that we put the colors aside, and then we just start playing with water and colors and everything. So yeah, that is a lot of stuff. Now what you are going to watch here is going to be like a very small snippet of what we actually did on Holi, but trust me when I say this, we started off by almost 10 in the morning and we ended up playing until 1:30. So yeah, that was how much we played on the day of Holi. So yeah, do not judge us by the amount of color on our face, by the way we look while we are in the Holi clips, because honestly everybody just plays Holi and nobody just cares how do we look. They just want to enjoy the entire festival. So yeah, with that being said, I'm not going to take much of your time. Let's get started with the Holi vlog. Let's go guys. seen us playing Holi, and you know the way I looked at that point of time, and to look like this, there's obviously a long time gap. Now, what basically happened was, after this, all of this happened, after we, you know, once we were done playing Holi, we came back, took a bath, had some lunch, and then after that, everybody just went straight to bed because everybody was tired and everything. So all of us slept for a little while, and then after that, we woke up, we got ready, and then we went for a little rendezvous in the city. So we went to Wall Street, Faridabad. We visited there. We wanted to look at all the decorations and everything that were there for Holi. So yeah, we went to Wall Street, and after that, we went to a market, got ourselves some shake, and now we're back home. So yeah, now I'm going to add the clips of us visiting Wall Street and how the Wall Street looked. But yeah, let's go and watch how amazing that place was. Let's go, guys. With that being said, and with all the things that you've seen, we come to the end of this vlog. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, because I absolutely loved filming this, because this is like the best memory that I could create and I could show you guys. And honestly, the crowd that you saw at my place is like nothing. Honestly, if the pandemic wasn't there, this crowd would have quadrupled, and maybe even more people would have been there. So basically, there would be just like 20 people playing around Holi in this entire place, where you only saw like 7 or 8 of us. There would be like 20 to 30 people playing, and then other people visiting. So that would be like a whole different crowd and everything. But that is just the charm of Holi. Like, everybody comes together, plays together, enjoys together, dances together, laughs together. I mean, but again, it was the pandemic, and we couldn't have many guests over, and we could not have many people at our place. But anyways, we enjoyed it, and I really hope you have also enjoyed watching this. And yeah, with that being said, if you have enjoyed, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notifications so that you're notified on all the future updates. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because again, I'm going to post a couple of my Holi pictures that I clicked other than the clips that you've seen here. So yeah, with that being said, I'll post a couple of pictures over there. And also, there are some fun activities that I've planned for my Instagram, and I'm really waiting for you guys to see all the lovely things that I've planned. So yeah, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And with that being said, I'll see you guys again next week. Until then, bye guys.